If you've been watching all this AI hype and wondering, it's too late, I don't have any skills, or I cannot follow all the hype around the AI, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you step by step if you are starting from scratch, using AI to make money selling low-ticket digital products. In this video, you will learn how to create a product with AI in few simple steps. No tech overflow and no expensive tools. At the end of the video, I will even show you a small $70 challenge you can take to make these things even faster. I wish I had that when I started. Forget going viral. Most of people think that going viral and having a lot of followers is needed in order to make money online selling digital products. But all the algorithms on social media are proving that wrong. I started earning money with less than 100 followers on Instagram, for example, because I can reach non-followers with my content. And that's the beauty of starting digital marketing business today, because all the algorithms and traffic is pretty organic and it's achievable if you follow the right steps. But selling digital products starts with solving one very specific problem. Ask yourself, what are people asking me lately that I can teach them to do? Because this is the idea for a digital product and this is something people will buy. Or use a ChatGPT and get the prompt, what common problems do people face that I could solve with a template, a guide, or a simple ebook, and it's involving things around my insert your job title. So if you're a dog trainer, what common problems do people need to solve in training their dog that I could solve with templates or checklists or ebooks or video courses or you name it. And then the best products are solving one problem. So if you're a dog trainer, you don't say how to train your dog, how to stop your dog for pulling your leash in 7 days. Great idea. So it's very specific and you can sell this for $9 or $12 easily. The second step you need when you find your product idea, usually some people will start building a product. You can do that, but always do a simple product at first. And then you can make it bigger later and raise the prices. So what you need to do is use AI. Use ChatGPT and say, create a 5-step course about how to stop your dog pulling on a leash in 7 days. You can turn the output in the printable PDF or ebook, a mini course, a swipe file, or a checklist, and that's it. Make it simple, but make it good. Your content needs to target specific person with specific problem and lead that person from A to B. So that person needs to experience a transformation. So his dog is pulling the leash. After 7 days, his dog stopped pulling the leash, if you understand. You got a happy customer. He spent like $9 or $12 or $27 and he's happy and his dog is happy and they're enjoying life. If you don't know what to sell, in the description you can find few so-called PLR sites where you can buy private label rights products. You can then edit them and resell. Also, the first link in the description is my private label rights product, which you can resell as your own. So go get it, because at this moment and only for a few more days, it is 12 mini guides, like 12 times 100 pages of PDFs for only $7. So go grab it in the description. So you don't need a website to sell that. That's the next step. You can build your store in Stan Store, or Gumroad, or any platform like Payhip or Lemon Squeezy or whatever you need. I will make a list in the description of all the platforms you can put your products on. Upload it there, price it low, $9, $12, $27. Whatever you do, if you go over $50, but for the product to be low ticket, it needs to be under $100. But if you go over $50, make sure it's a big product, like 100 or more pages PDF, or free, like 10 videos course or something. But again, it solves one specific problem. Don't go wide. Don't worry that the product price is low, because in the future you will build upon that product, make it pricier, or add bonuses on that product, or upsells for $12, $27 that are accompanying your product, and you are building up momentum and making more sales, more average value of sales by acquiring one customer. Again, the next step is to promote it. I like to promote it organically on social media. I personally prefer Instagram for short form content, or YouTube for long form content. So what you need to do is create short videos. You can have videos up to 7 seconds long with just text over it, and people are crazy for that. You need to have a strong hook, so see what works in your niche and create videos. Make at least one video a day. If you can do more, do more. YouTube is more of a long-term game, and it takes some time, and it's more efforts to create long-form videos, but it's worth it. So idea is, you say, I created a small guide about how your dog can stop pulling on your leash in 7 days. You can get it in my bio for $9, or even better, you can use ManyChat automation, and it allows you to have a trigger word. So your call to action on a video will be comment leash, and I will send it to you. And you don't have to do anything. This is full automation. When they comment leash, ManyChat will send them a DM and ask them to follow. And then if they follow you, they will be able to buy your product, all while you are not aware of it at all. Now, if all this sounds exciting, I have a challenge I mentioned in the beginning of the video. I wish I had this when I started. Yeah, because I didn't figure all this overnight. I'm in this business for 4 years now, so it takes time and education and a lot of learning to testing things that work, don't work. But what I found recently and went through is this simple 5-day challenge called AI Business Builder Challenge. $70, you get a daily step-by-step breakdown to create your first funnel, which is a set of web pages for sales we mentioned before. Use AI to build your content for social media, and even start your email list and do the email marketing, which is very important, because the email, when you get customers' email, this is the only thing that you really own, because Instagram can go away. They can ban you, they can go bust, whatever. So if you're serious about this, I will drop the link to this challenge below. It's incredibly cheap. It's $17, and the value is overwhelming. And hey, if this video helped you connect dots a little bit more and nudged you in the right direction to start creating your digital products and make money and eventually ditch your 9-to-5, drop a like and subscribe. And if you want to see how AI can help you make a lot of money, check this video next.